Genesis 1:26. God says, "Let us make man in our image." God, Elohim, is one because Elohim is God's name. So God says to others, "Let us." But who is the others that he's talking to? And who is it that's going to help God create? Does God need help creating? Because in 127 it says, "And God created man." So is it us or is it God created? Well, it's both. In Genesis 2:7, we are told that God formed man from the dust of the earth. Man is a result of God taking the material, Adamah, and creating man, Adam. And if you want to know further confirmation, if the image or likeness of man is taken from the ground, simply look at Genesis 3:19, which tells us that man was taken from the ground and he was formed from the ground and he'd return to the ground. So here we see that God created man, bara, from nothing. And what he created from nothing was the soul, the spirit, because he creates both male and female and calls their name together Adam. So, or Ha-Adam, and all of humanity is called Ha-Adam, male and female. But for the body, God utilized the earth. From the dust of the ground, man was taken and his body was created. And then the spirit God had created in 127 was blown into the nose of Adam, the body created from the dust of the ground. So you could say 126 is telling you what God is going to do. Step 1, God creates man's soul. Step 2, he forms man's body from the dust of the earth. And step 3, he combines these two aspects of creation. God created man. No Trinity in sight.